Next, let's get high. High up. We are heading to the second tallest building in Warsaw and sixth tallest in the European Union, with a total height of 237 meters. So let's get our ladders and get ready to climb up. Okay, just joking. Get ready to walk 10 minutes on foot. So I heard a lot of great things about the Palace of Culture and Technology, and I really want to go in and take a look. They have so many entrances, but all of them are pretty much shut because you can only get in the designated ones for visitors. This mega complex houses various public and cultural institutions such as cinemas, theaters, libraries, sports clubs, university facilities, and authority of the Polish Academy of Science. As I'm waiting to go up to the terrace, I decided I have to find a way to support the local economy. Hey, I like to lead by example, and my favorite way is to eat and eat more. And over here in Poland, even in major cities such as Warsaw, things are not expensive compared to our American standards. And so what I'm having is a croissant actually, and also a coffee. Together cost less than $4, and your money really goes a long way. With that being said, let's eat. Salmon and cucumbers and vegetables. Alright, got my tickets. 20. That works out to be like 4 something. Alright, so and then let's go in here, see my tickets. The palace also houses the tallest clock tower in the world until the installation of a giant clock on NTT Docomo Yoyogi Building in Tokyo, Japan. I just wish one thing is they don't have all these barricades here, because else you can get a really nice photo in the background. But you can put your camera out in between those the fence and still get like a panoramic of the city. There's 360 right here. The Palace of Culture and Science is a highly controversial building for some, and is often viewed as a reminder of Soviet influence over Polish People's Republics, especially due to its construction during the mass violation of human rights under Joseph Stalin. The building was originally known as Joseph Stalin Palace of Culture and Science, but in the wake of de-Stalinization, the dedication to Stalin was removed. The construction started in 1952 and lasted until 1955. This is a gift from Soviet Union to the people of Poland. The tower was constructed using Soviet plans by 3,500 to 5,000 Soviet workers and 4,000 Polish workers. 16 workers died in accidents during the construction. As you can see, in the concrete barricades, there's a lot of coins being scattered. And the reason people throw the coins there is they are hoping to get their wish come true. Does that work? Well, maybe I should do it and let you know in the future.